Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock and change into different vehicles on the Ramboat game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ramboat game on your device, and after completing the basic tutorial, you will gain access to the game, which you can start playing. And while you play your game, you will be able to unlock various different rewards. Now, as you can see, the character is riding the default boat that is given to us when we start the game. In order to unlock new boats, we are required to complete some missions and upgrade our level. Now, right now we are at level 2, and the missions that we have to complete are shown within the screen when we pause the game. Now, when we complete all of these missions, we will see the tick mark displayed on them. So after completing these objectives, when your game is over, your character's level will increase. And now, if you have reached a level that allows you to unlock any vehicle, then this will be unlocked right away. You can click on the next button and go into the armory menu in order to switch into your new vehicle right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unlock and change into new vehicles on the Ramboat game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.